Hey y'all,
Hey,
I'm Hannah,
and I'm Jeremy.
and we are the Savory Suitcase.
Yeah.
And today we are at the Fairgrounds St. Pete.
What? Where's the Ferris wheel? What? Carnival games?
It's not that kind of fair. Let's show you around inside.
Yeah, let's go.
Fairgrounds St. Pete is a brand new immersive art experience that opened at the beginning of September. This Choose Your Own Adventure installation is a weird, wacky, and wonderful imaginative world that represents the best of Florida lore.
As you step into the over 15,000 square feet of exhibit space, you are transported into the Mermaid Star Motel, where nothing really seems to make any sense, but once you've checked in at the front desk, there is no going back.
Come step out onto the pool deck and you'll notice the pool is upside down and that the bushes have eyes. Okay, moving on.
As you continue to visit the rooms of the motel, you start an unsolved mystery. There are clues hidden throughout to help you unravel the motel's secrets.
According to the fairgrounds, the name references traditional fairgrounds and the roles as the place of exhibiting new ideas, as well as recognizing talent, creativity, and innovation. Much like a country, state, or world fair, fairgrounds is a place for play and discovery and a venue for showcasing, convening, and celebrating Florida's creative community and artists.
In addition, the word fairgrounds is a play on words, referencing our mission to compensate artists fairly for their contributions by paying not only for their work, but also a portion of the profits from ticket sales while their work is on view.
Each room takes you further into the Mermaid Star Motel's story, while making a nod towards the local lore, including mermaids themselves, the famous strawberry festivals, and the natural springs that we love to visit, and even the ice cream cone-shaped buildings that we can't seem to get enough of.
that was our trip to the Mermaid Star Motel. We didn't solve the mystery, but maybe you can. Be sure to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe.
See you next week.